All right, everyone, welcome back to Level Up Mentor. This is T. So, generational wealth is being talked about a lot. And one way that you can execute that is to set up a custodial account for your children. Here's an example of what I have set up, and I'm going to talk about how you can set up yours with E-Trade as well. A custodial account is an account that's set up for minors who are under the age of 18, and the custodian, being you, the adult, can set one up. If you're a teenager and you want to start investing in stocks, you can go ahead and get with your parents or your custodian to try to get this set up. It's very simple, and it's a great way to get initiated into start thinking about how you can make money and increasing your wealth. Right here is an example of what I have for my children. And basically what I want to show you is the end result and then how to get there. I'll show you the steps on how to get this custodial account following this demonstration. All right, so I'm gonna click on one of the accounts right here, and it'll show you basically my idea on what to invest in for your kids is to ask them what they're interested in, or you already know what they're interested in, and do a little bit of research or have them get involved in doing the research to find out if this investment, if this company that you're investing in is worth your money. Because what you're doing is you're buying shares of a company. So a lot of it is something that, hey, do I use this product? Do I believe in this product? Do I believe in this this organization that delivers this product? And for kids, you know, from my experience, a lot of the stuff that they use, if they're interested in it, it will get them more geared to doing that analysis. So what I did is, you know, bought a few shares of Disney when it dropped, and the same thing with Nintendo. They're doing well right now, but like I said, I just wanted to show, you know, a few examples. Like for this example of a custodian account, I didn't involve my child. She's too young. So I just looked at something that I was like, it's a little bit risky, but you know, I got 18 years to weather the storm. So let me go ahead and put it in Netflix. And, you know, that's something that you can think about when your kids are too young to decide. Just put it in something that you wouldn't, you know, it may be a little bit risky for you, but if you factor in the time frame that it's going to be until they can access it, if the risk is worth the reward, you can go ahead and try to use that. All right, now that I showed you the end result, I can show you how you can set the custodian account for E-Trade specifically. But I'm pretty sure that it'll work on any other brokerage platform that you would like to use. Me personally, I think that E-Trade is a great platform for, you know, intermediate level investors as myself or beginner investors. They have a great mobile platform as well, so you can trade on your phone as well as on the desktop or laptop. All right, so what you're gonna do is select open account, and it'll show you the different varieties of types of accounts you can get. You hit brokerage account, hit continue, and now it shows you the option for custodial account. You're gonna click that, and this also shows you what each item means if you don't understand what custodial means. Scroll down, and you're gonna have to get your child or your grandchild's, whoever you're doing this for who's under 18, their information. If you already have your customer information, you put that in there. If you don't, you go ahead and select I am new to E-Trade, and you have to create your custodial information there. All right. A lot of this information will be self-explanatory, and you basically input all their pertinent information. You are going to need their social security number and their date of birth in order for them, once they turn 18, to be able to access that account on their own, obviously. This is just going over the different options. So the best way to go about filling all this information out is getting your child or grandchild's social security card, birth certificate, things of that nature that's going to speed up this process so you don't have to go research if you don't know it off the top of your head. All right. Hopefully this video was beneficial in helping you set up your custodial account with E-Trade. It should help you set your kids up for success in regards to building generational wealth. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. I heard it's excellent for your immune system.